Curiosity killed the cat. You knew you shouldn't look. You knew you shouldn't ask, but you did. And now, here we are. English with Bruce. Quick one. Curiosity killed the cat means being too curious can get you into trouble. And some questions are better left unasked. In Korean, you can say 호기심이 화를 부른다. Or 괜히 알려고 하다가 문제 생긴다. Let's hear how this sounds in real natural English. He went digging into confidential information. Then he went missing suddenly. Curiosity killed the cat. I warned her to stop asking questions. The following week, she was fired. Curiosity killed the cat. Subscribe. Wednesday will be a great one.